I've got to show you something. I've just got to show you something. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at the green mildew all over this 3-story apartment. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Does your house look like this? If you look like this on the outside of your house, is all I can say. Let me show you what it'll look like when we leave. And we give a warranty. We give a 12-month warranty with our washers, just so you know. Because we chemically treat. We don't use high pressure. At Rivertown Pro Wash, we use chemical treatments that actually kill mold, mildew, and algae. And we give a 100% kill ratio, so we're good at what we do, and we kill what you don't want. So let me show you the after. You ready?